Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and this week we are headed to Dollar General, and everything that I feature in this video is only $1. Yes, you heard that right. So let's dive in. Now, I'm going to start by jumping into that spring decor. They have some new arrivals. Check this out. So this is a thick MDF wood butterfly. These are just $1. So they have them in a layered design, and they have them in multiple colors. I just showed you blue. Here is the yellow one, and they also have the green one. Now, these can also be customized and painted whichever way that you love. Another item in this collection are these little cow figures. These are also MDF wood for $1. You can get the one with a cow that says family. They have one with the chicken here. That one says love. And the natural one is a little pig that says home. So cute for tiered tray decor. Check out this welcome home sign. Now, this is actually a little larger than I thought it would be for just $1, but yes, these are $1. So they had 3 different signs. I love this Hello Spring with that yellow. It really does scream spring. And then they have this Home Sweet Home one with the green, also just $1. So make sure you check out these $1 deals. Now, if you love magnets, check out these. These are the ceramic style magnets with the glazed finish. They had 6 different designs, all kind of giving farmhouse and spring vibes. Really nice. And they had 6 different ones to choose from. You want to get there early. I did, but another store, they were already picked over. So you want to check these out. And all of them are just $1 a piece. So get them while they last. Now, I thought this was probably one of the best deals today. I thought it was so adorable. So it is a little stand, and it has an arch display with a chalkboard on there. So this is great for chalk markers. Really nice. Now, they do have 3 different colors that they offer this in. You can get them in white, kind of a blue, and also a natural. So with a chalk marker, you could just wipe it off and rewrite. So pretty. Now, I love these stacking farm animal designs. These are really cute too. And of course, just $1. So they do have them in a black colorway, or you can get them in a white colorway. Now, you can display these as is, or you can jazz them up with a little greenery or some ribbon, whatever you might want for your particular decor for just $1. The letters are back, and I love that they have these nice bright spring colors with the florals on them. Now, this is another one you want to get early because your favorite letters always sell out quickly, but they're only $1 a piece in their MDF wood. They have 2 packs of tumblers at the Dollar General for just $1. So these are really nice. 3 different designs. They had the Rise and Shine with the farm animals, and they had 2 with green and blue and florals. Again, 2 for just $1. Now, these little spice jars are really cute, but I can see these for organization as well. They are glass jars and have a wooden lid. These are just $1. Another item that I spotted were these little bowls. Now, these are $1 a piece, but I love like the texture design. You could get them in clear. You can get them in a blue tint, and also you can get these in a green tint. There's a lot of options you can do with this with DIY or just organizing your jewelry. It's all up to you. These are also another cute $1 item. They have this blue kind of rope design frame here, and then they have one that looks kind of like piping and squiggles. I thought those were neat too for just $1 at Dollar General. Check out these. The initial square plaques are out, and you guys, I did not make it in time to see all of them. You could see there's only a handful left. See, you got to get there early, but it has a gold letter on there, whether you wanted pink or blue in the background, and these are just $1. They had some candles as well. So they have this one that is the cute Fresh Horizon, or you can get the Home and Shine fragrance. Now, they had some more as well. So they have this one in like a sunrise drift, and they had some earth and cedar. So I did find 4 of those mini candles, and they're just $1. These are really cute as well. So these are mini potted plants. I think these are the perfect size for little shelves or tiered trays, and they're just $1. So they had a couple of different plant designs, and they have either a green or a white pot to go with them. I think this one's kind of like a monstera leaf, but they are really nice for just $1 at Dollar General. This is another one that I spotted too. Now these have more of that boxwood leaf design, and it comes with a really nice kind of like an off-white colored pot. They did have two different variations of this, but these are also just $1 for this little potted plant. And if you love tiered tray designs or shelves, these would be perfect for that. These are also really cute too. So these look like little cement characters, you guys. And inside, they have little miniature rocks with a succulent on the inside. And guess what? Yes, they are just $1 as well. I did see a couple of different designs on these, and these actually have a little bit of weight to them as well. So you might want to check these out early. I found them over by the garden section over in Dollar General. If you're looking for some organization containers, these that I spotted, they caught my eye because of the texture and the design, very modern looking, and I was surprised that these were just $1. So I did find them in this blue and this green color. Kind of looks like the other pieces in the collection, but for just $1, you can grab some of these organization containers. These were really nice. These are glass tumbler jars, and look, they are just $1. I was really surprised at the price on these. I did not expect that. So they do say farm fresh on there. You can get them in clear or with a light blue tint. You can use these for a variety of different uses in your home. These little mushrooms are really cute too. They are multicolored on the top, and you can see they almost have like a light glittered finish. Now, if you're not a fan of the glitter, these can also be repainted and redesigned, but they do come already in green, a gold, and a blue. So check those out for $1. They have dish towels. Now, the kitchen towels at Dollar General are just $1. We all know they went up to $1.50 at Dollar Tree, but they are just $1 at Dollar General. And check out all of the really cute designs. Whether you wanted more spring or more farmhouse, they did have several to choose from to go into your kitchen. And like I said, they're only just $1 a piece. Now, I do love this one, the stacking animals, really, really cute. But they did have a bunch of them to choose from at Dollar General. Now, if you're looking for these, they have dish scrubbers. And the thing about the dish scrubbers, they do come in a 2-pack for $1. Check out the chicken in the boots. I mean, everybody's got to have that, right? So cute. So yes, you get 2 of these towels in a pack for just $1 at Dollar General. They also have the pot holders at Dollar General. Now, these are $1 a piece. Now, if you get pot holders from Dollar Tree, you get 2 pot holders for $1.50. But you got to pay $1 a piece at Dollar General, but these actually come all in a set. So if you wanted to get these cute designs, you'll have to pay $1 a piece for these. And these are great for just display, DIYs, or light handling in the kitchen. Just check those out when you get there. I anticipate they won't last long because of the cute designs that they do offer all of these in. You know what? Farmhouse is really in right now, so you might want to check those out early. Now, for the pot holders, you could also get the oven mitts as well. They did have several different oven mitts to match everything in the collection, so make sure you check those out as well. Now, these are a little shorter than the Dollar Tree ones lengthwise, but they are just $1 and not $1.50. So there's advantages and disadvantages to each one, but make sure you choose whatever makes your heart happy when it comes to your kitchen decor and all of the linens that they do offer. Do they have sponges? Yes, they do. And they match all of the collections. So you can get ducks and cows and chickens and pigs. They all kind of go together for $1. Now, these caught my eye. I thought these were absolutely gorgeous, and I thought they were ceramic until I noticed that they were melamine. And not only that, they are just $1, you guys. Yes, these beautiful dishes are $1, and you can get the coordinating plate to go with it. This is also $1. I tell you, these dollar deals are really blowing me away at Dollar General, so make sure you check them out too. They also have this bowl. I love the scalloped edge of it and that light blue color. And these are also melamine and also $1. They also have the plate to match that as well in that same blue color. Now, I'm unsure if they have any more colors or any more pieces, but these are the only two that I did spot at my stores. Now check out these little birds over in the garden section for decor. They are the thick kind of MDF wood. They're just $1. And you notice on each one of them, they have the little flower on the front. So you can get the flowers in yellow. You can get them in pink. And they also have one with a blue flower. So really cute for tabletop tray or shelf decor. Next to it, they have these little potted succulents. These actually have a little weight to them. They have the little fake rocks in them for just $1. Now, these are nice too. So these are those little heavyweight rock style designs in a bee theme. You can put these around your garden, and these are just $1 as well. They have the little birds. They are back. I always use these in different DIYs, and they're just $1. So they have this cute little cardinal here. They have a bird, a blue one. Now they do have a couple of them. I'm not sure if they're going to get any more, but these are just $1. They have these butterflies that I spotted, and I don't recall ever seeing these. Now, these butterflies are metal, and they do come in different colors. You can get a blue ombre. They have this one with the yellow and orange ombre. Right behind that, they have this really pretty purple one. Look at the colors in that, really nice and vibrant. And they also have one that was more in a red and pink ombre, and these are only just $1. They have the miniatures that are back. Look at the little miniature, they call it a garden trolley or a wheelbarrow. This is just $1. And they also have the little windmill, perfect for tiered tray decor. These are really neat too. So these are pot hangers, and they are metal. You can see at the top of the little critter, they have the little hook style piece that hooks over the edge of all of your pots. And these are metal pieces. So you can get a ladybug, or you can get this little fun little frog. They also have one that is a bumblebee. So make sure you check those out. And of course, they are just $1. They also have some citronella candles that I came across. They have 4 different color jars to choose from for just $1. Now this was neat. This is a flag with a pole. Now, not only do you get the metal pole, but you get the flag with it. I thought this was a really great deal for just $1. So this is another one of those great steals. Now, the flags come in a couple different designs. You can get the beehive design, or you can get the bicycle wheel with the basket. They also have one that's in a butterfly design too. And yes, these are all just $1. I came across these flower market boxes, and I saw these butterflies, but then I looked over here and saw a section full of succulents. I love these mini succulents. I was heartbroken when they went to $1.75 at the Dollar Tree, but now that they're just $1 at Dollar General, I'm glad I now have a new source of different succulents you can use for all kinds of DIY and decor projects. And if you're looking for solar lights, if you want a basic solar light, you can still get them for $1 at Dollar General. Now, here's something that everybody probably needs if you are a plant mama. So they have these little plant saucers. They come in multi-packs. You can get a 4-inch multi-pack. This one is the 8-inch multi-pack, or you can get a 6-inch multi-pack of these plant saucers, and they're just $1. We probably have seen these at Dollar Tree. They are $1.50 there, but they are $1 at Dollar General, so make sure you grab them there instead. These wood stakes are a staple in my craft room. This is a long, about 32-inch wood stake. I always use this for DIYs. I'm so glad it's still $1. This plant sprayer is probably one of my favorites. Not only do I use it in my bathroom, but I also use it in DIYs. And what I've done with this is really simple. I have used the bottle and painted it and decorated it and just gave it kind of like a modern look. You guys, if you guys want to give this a try, I'm going to link the tutorial down in the description box below so you can make this one as well. Now, they do have these foam kneeling pads for just $1 at Dollar General, but Dollar Tree has upgraded theirs where they're about double this this size, but it's $1.50, so you can choose between the two. And if you love garden flags, they did have a bunch of them at Dollar General. They are $1 a piece. Now, these are the large 12.5 by 18-inch flags that you can use in your garden. They do have a lot of pots, and they're just now starting to put out their pots. Now, they do have this 2-pack of pots. These are just $1. We know that the pots are $1.50 at Dollar Tree, but they're only $1 at Dollar General. Now, this one was impressive to me. At first, I thought it was metal, but this is actually plastic, and it's $1, you guys. So that is another cute one that you can get for $1. And then they also have those like a bumblebee type pots that I like to call. They do have those in multiple colors. They are $1.50 at Dollar Tree, but you can get them for $1 at Dollar General. I could not forget the pet section. They had some dollar items there too, so you can get decorative plaques that say Home Sweet Home, or you can get these too. These are pet picture holders. You had me at Woof, Cat Mom, and Dog Mom. You put the little picture of your pet in a little spiral. So cute for just $1. Now, not only that, they had towels as well with a pet theme. So whether you're decorating your area for your pets, or you're decorating your kitchen in a pet theme, they had several different towels, and the towels are just $1. They are too cute, and a lot of them are 100% cotton, which I definitely can appreciate. But you definitely want to check these out in your pet section. Again, they are just now putting things out, so there may be more to come. Now listen, before you leave Dollar General, you want to take a trip down your Dollar General deal aisle. This is the dollar deals. They have so many things for just still $1. They've got a lot of paper goods and plates and cups. They even have hand sanitizers for $1, a lot of your household cleaners, your body washes, your soaps, your health and baby items. They even had some candies and some snacks in the dollar aisle. So many items to choose from, similar to Dollar Tree, but just $1. Now, if you missed my last video at Dollar Tree where I show more amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see items I've created with my dollar store supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope that you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar General. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.